Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's Vesna here. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're returning, welcome back. My channel is mostly about DIYs, flips, thrift flips, makeovers, trash to treasures, DIYs, holiday themed like DIYs, any of that kind of stuff I do on my channel. So if that's the kind of thing you like, please make sure you subscribe, stick around, take a look at my other videos, and leave me a comment. For today's video, I am going to be recreating this boo sign from the Dollar Tree. This was $1.25 as I'm in Canada, so things are $1.25 here at the Dollar Tree. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to paint the sign in two different styles, and then the middle I'm going to wrap some jute rope on it. And I'll show you what I'm doing. So first I start off with painting the bee in this acrylic black. I'm not going to show you the entire, like all the steps of painting, but I'm going to paint it black, and then the bottom I'm going to paint a silver color, and then I'll show you how I finish them off. So the black, I'm just making sure it covers, and same with the silver. You won't see me painting the last O silver and the exclamation mark, but you'll see once I start to decorate them what I mean. So unfortunately, because I wasn't recording myself painting the silver, I also missed recording myself putting on the jute rope. So what I did is I used my glue gun and jute rope from the dollar store to wrap it around the O. So I just put one end down, put glue on, and then slowly wrapped all the way around until I got all of the pieces, all of the whole O covered. I then went ahead and I added some warm white, some champagne, as well as, no, sorry, cashmere, as well as some black, and I mixed those. Well, I didn't mix them, I put them all in the bowl, and then I just kind of went and dry brushed or lightly brushed the bee with those colors. I wanted it to look kind of like a Halloween, dark night, cloudy sky type of effect, and I think I achieved it. So you'll see the end result there. After I achieved the look of my bee, I moved on to the O, and for the O, I was trying to achieve a galvanized look, and so I used warm white, black, silver, a little bit of blue, and I just kind of kept on dabbing and dry brushing until I achieved the look I was going for. I can't tell you really what the steps are for me to achieve the color. I just kind of keep on going until I get what I was looking for. So I started off with the silver base, then I added black. I dabbed some black on it, then I dabbed a bit of the warm white, then I didn't like the way it was looking, so I went back and I put some of the blue, and then I still didn't like it, so I went back, put the black, and I just kept on going until I achieved the look, and it really is up to you. I also wound up using a little bit of that cashmere too, because I wanted it to be kind of like galvanized, but kind of old galvanized steel, so if that makes any sense. If I found it to be too wet or too much of something, I also dabbed it off with a paper towel. And again, I just kept on doing it until I achieved the look I was looking for. Here you can see a mix. So what I did was I wound up mixing all those colors together. I had them separately in the bowl, and then I mixed them together, and I put that on, and I dabbed that onto the O. And then like I said, I still wasn't happy, so I added a bit more black, and then I added a little bit more white. So this video is a part of a challenge. It's a monthly challenge hosted by Elena Jenkins DIY. And this month it's called the Fall Inspired DIY Challenge, and this month it was the Inspired Fall or Halloween DIY Challenge. And she is co-hosting with Linda from Faith Chick 77's DIY by Design. So if you haven't checked out their channels, make sure you check them out. They're very talented ladies, and I'll have their channels linked in my description below. As well, make sure you check out the playlist because there'll be some really fun DIYs. The inspired part comes from anywhere where you found like whether it be Pinterest or anywhere else, anything that inspired you and you wanted to recreate. you could do for this challenge, and it just had to be a fall or Halloween theme. So this is my inspiration. It's not identical, but this is kind of what inspired me to how to design mine. So this is my take on this one. This was a sign sold by Kirkland's, I believe. So it wasn't, and maybe someone's recreated on YouTube, I'm not sure, but this one was for sale at Kirkland's. So after doing a couple of minutes of this dabbing on and off, I wound up coming up with this look, and I'm really, really happy with it. So let me know what you guys think. So today's project was a quick project, but I think it turned out really nicely. You could add a bow to the top if you wanted and hang it up as a wall hanging, add it to a wreath. I will likely be using this in my tiered tray, just standing up on its own. I'm really, really, really happy with the way it turned out. I think it's a cute little sign. Again, it was quick, it was inexpensive to make, and it's something anyone could do. And I love that the Dollar Tree has these nice wood letters. I just think they're so fantastic. So again, if you liked what you saw, make sure you hit that big like button, hit the subscribe button if you would like to see more, and check out the playlist, check out Elena's channel, check out Linda's channel, and take a look at these videos I've left for you at the end. Thanks for stopping by. Have an excellent day and stay safe.